the RYOBI ONE HP Compact Brushless 6.5-inch circular saw. 25% lighter, while still delivering more power, runtime, durability, and speed to tackle any job. ONE HP technology delivers up to 4,900 RPM of cutting power in a compact and lightweight design, with 32% faster cutting, making up to 350 cuts per charge. Equipped with an adjustable depth gauge for cuts up to 2¼ inch and 0 to 50 degree bevel capacity to make a variety of cuts. The vacuum dust adapter makes for a cleaner work area, and the onboard LED work light provides increased visibility in low-light situations. The RYOBI ONE HP Compact Brushless 6.5-inch circular saw, part of the ONE system, exclusively at the Home Depot.